Hey everyone, Jamie MacDonald with the MacDonald Group at PMZ. The holidays are just around the corner, and with that comes the cleaning frenzy to get everything perfect for guests and celebrations. But before you dive in, let's consider a few common holiday cleaning mistakes to avoid. Check out the list down below and find 5 holiday cleaning mistakes to avoid. There are some things you may not expect, like buying in bulk. I know it's tempting with all the sales, but too many products clutter your storage space, and you may not even use them at all. So it can be a good idea to stick to just what you need. And don't forget about one of the biggest oversights, forgetting to clean out the fridge. It's about to be jam-packed with holiday food and leftovers. Make sure you clear out all the old items beforehand so there's plenty of room. If you can think of any other time or money saving tips to include, let us know. Reply to this email and share with us some of your holiday saving secrets. As always, if you have any real estate questions or need guidance, we're here to help. Happy holidays and happy cleaning.